next. Today we are looking at community capacity building and empowerment. This is all about enhancing the ability of the community members to manage their projects. So in line with this unit, we'll have to look at the elements of community strength. So it's until a community is strong, that's when it can achieve its goals and objectives as far as community development is concerned. So the following are some of the elements of community strength. One, we have community values. Two, we have communication. Three, we have confidence. Four, we have leadership. We have information, and we have network. Those are some of the elements that signify that a community is strong. A community that is strong, it has common values. There is that aspect of communication whereby people share information with one another. There is that high level of confidence among the community members to undertake or participate in community development projects. There is also the aspect of sharing information among the members, and there is also networking, which means establishing linkages with other development practitioners. There are players in community capacity building and empowerment, and by players we mean the key stakeholders who have a role to participate in community capacity building and empowerment. So these key players, we have the community members themselves who are the key beneficiaries of development projects. We have the change agents who could be the community development workers or any other party who wishes to bring about a positive change in the community, meaning that these change agents could also be teachers. We also have the change agencies. These are now the development organizations. Remember, the change agents are the ones who are representing the change agencies in the community. We also have some research institutions which are also involved in community capacity building. We have the social workers, although we may categorize them under the change agents. We have some learning institutions like schools. We have the civil societies. We have the self-help groups, and we also have the community mobilizers. There are different levels of social agencies in community capacity building. Number one, we have the local level agencies. And when we talk about local level agencies, here we are looking at those agencies that are maybe within the community, that is the community level agencies, or those ones that are found outside the community, but it could be within the same country. We also have the international level agencies. Most of these ones operate outside the country. And we have the regional level agencies. And the regional level agencies, they cover a specific region, for example, the East African region, etc. So it incorporates quite a number of countries. Another aspect is the strategies for capacity building and empowerment. These are some of the ways or the approaches that we can use in ensuring that the ability of the community members has been strengthened and they have been empowered to run their own development projects. One, we have the peer-to-peer learning, whereby members come together and learn from one another. We also have facilitated organization, training and academic study, research, and we can also use some published materials, that is publishing, as one of the strategies that we can use in capacity building and empowerment. Besides that, there are different types of capacity building. One is a strategic capacity building. We have financial management, human resource management, and information technology improvement. There are a number of factors that we need to consider when we are trying to identify the modes of community capacity building and empowerment. One of those factors is the activities involved in that process, the community, the culture,